Oh.
Alright, here's Hannah.
Hi, honey. Look at your funny hair. The blankets are rubbing it.
Alright, there she is. She doesn't like the camera, just like her mom.
And Grandma. And Grandma.
Both grandmas.
Yeah. Oh.
There she
Honey,
is.
take pictures. Yes, it is. We need you hear Daddy?
Hi, Hannah.
Oh, you hear Daddy?
Hi.
Around to everyone, and everyone loves it.
Oh, wow.
Okay. So, and there's Grandma Wardell.
Hi there. Hi, Hannah. We love you.
Yep. And then here's Grandma Janny. Or Nana.
Oh, that's a nice one. Really good one for her. The two of them. It's nice.
And there's Mommy holding Hannah. Daddy holding Hannah, so.
Oh.
Okay.
Hi.
Nice and comfortable and safe in Mommy's arms.
Looks hot to me, but hey.
She's used to being inside me, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, she's... Oh. Oh.
Sweet baby.
I'm going to take off.